Hey, so it's early in the morning and I am driving down to Hershey, PA to visit Pleasant Valley. That's one of the factories that we work with down there. And we'll take a look through some of the houses that they have. I'll show you some of the features that they do, and we'll look through their factory and different things like that. But wanted you guys to join me on this journey. We are here. There's the offices. There's the factory, I would guess, by the enormous size of the building. That is a modular home. Look at the size of this thing. 2-story with a 12-12 pitch and all those dormers. This is awesome. So we're in the design center. Look at all the stuff that they can do here. This is how you make all your selections for everything. Come in and be able to pick everything out. You can even add Santa. Look at this. This is super helpful to be able to walk through and be able to see a bunch of different things like this. This is really great. Different fireplace options, carpet and flooring, different pendant lights, vanity lights. Wow, this is fantastic. So that wraps up our visit of Pleasant Valley Homes. It's been great to be able to see the factory and to walk through, see the efficiency of what's being done there on a high volume, to be able to see the design center, all the different finishes that they have. I mean, really, that's not even all the finishes that they have available to them. And then to be able to walk through some of the homes as well. It's been a great visit. We'd love to build with you. Pleasant Valley can build all through the entire Northeast. So give us a call. Let us know where you're looking to build.